Have you ever wondered how you can make money using Google Maps? In today's digital world, there are numerous ways to turn technology into a profitable venture, and Google Maps is no exception. Whether you're offering local digital marketing services, analyzing maps for businesses, becoming a local guide, promoting your own business, or developing location-based apps, the opportunities are endless. Imagine turning your knowledge of local spots or your technical skills into a steady income stream. With the right approach, you can leverage Google Maps to unlock financial potential you might not have considered before. Now let's explore these exciting methods and discover how you can start making money with Google Maps today. Offer local digital marketing services to businesses. You can provide services like optimizing Google My Business profiles, improving SEO, and managing social media for local companies. This involves helping businesses appear more prominently in search results, attracting more customers through well-managed online profiles, and engaging potential clients on social media platforms. Imagine a local restaurant that isn't showing up in searches for best places to eat nearby. By optimizing their Google My Business profile and enhancing their SEO, you can help them attract more diners. Or think about a small retail store that doesn't have a strong online presence. Managing their social media can drive more foot traffic and online sales. Earnings can vary, but some marketers report earning around $100–200 per day. By providing consistent, high-quality service, you can build a strong reputation and secure ongoing contracts with multiple businesses. The key is to understand the unique needs of each client and tailor your services to help them achieve their goals. Whether you're boosting their visibility on Google Maps or creating engaging social media content, your expertise can make a significant impact on their success. This approach not only helps local businesses thrive, but also creates a steady and rewarding income stream for you. Become a Google Maps analyst for third-party companies. Analyzing maps, identifying trends, and providing insights to businesses can be a lucrative opportunity. Imagine helping a delivery service optimize their routes or a retail chain find the best locations for new stores. By examining data from Google Maps, you can uncover patterns and trends that businesses might miss, giving them a competitive edge. This role involves studying traffic patterns, customer behaviors, and geographical data to provide actionable recommendations. Your insights could help a restaurant chain decide where to open its next branch based on foot traffic and demographic information. Or you might assist a logistics company in reducing delivery times by identifying the most efficient routes. While exact earnings can vary, this role can provide a decent income, with some analysts making substantial amounts depending on their expertise and the complexity of the projects. The key to success in this field is a keen eye for detail and a strong understanding of geographic and demographic data. By turning this data into valuable business insights, you can help companies make informed decisions, boosting their efficiency and profitability. This not only creates value for businesses, but also establishes you as a crucial part of their strategic planning, making it a rewarding and profitable venture. Make local guides on Google Maps and earn rewards. As a local guide, you contribute reviews, photos, and information about local places, helping others discover the best spots in your area. Your contributions can range from detailed reviews of restaurants and shops to uploading photos of parks and attractions. Google rewards your efforts with points, which can lead to perks like early access to new features, special badges, and even small monetary rewards. Imagine sharing your favorite hidden gems in your city and being recognized for it. Each review or photo you add not only helps others but also enhances your reputation as a trusted local expert. The points you earn can quickly add up, and these rewards can be a fun and engaging way to benefit from your local knowledge. Additionally, being a local guide can open doors to exclusive events and a vibrant community of fellow contributors. The more you participate, the more you earn, and the greater your impact. It's a unique opportunity to turn your everyday experiences into something valuable for others, while enjoying the benefits yourself. By staying active and contributing regularly, you can make a difference and enjoy the perks of being a Google local guide, potentially earning small monetary rewards along the way. Use Google Maps to promote your own local business. If you have a business, ensuring your listing is optimized on Google Maps can significantly attract more customers and boost your revenue. By adding accurate details like your business hours, address, contact information, and high-quality photos, you make it easier for potential customers to find and choose your services. Imagine a local cafe appearing at the top of search results when someone looks for best coffee near me. This visibility can drive foot traffic and online orders, increasing your sales. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave positive reviews can further enhance your reputation and draw more visitors. You can also use Google Maps features like posts and updates to share promotions, events, or new products, keeping your audience engaged and informed. The earnings from optimizing your Google Maps listing depend on your business type and location, but many businesses see a noticeable uptick in customers and revenue. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to leverage free tools to enhance your online presence. By consistently updating your listing and interacting with your customers, you can turn Google Maps into a dynamic marketing tool that drives growth and success for your business. Develop location-based apps or services. If you're a developer, creating apps or services that leverage Google Maps can open up numerous revenue opportunities. Think about developing navigation apps that help users find the best routes or local event finders that keep people updated on nearby activities. You could also create specialized tools for businesses, such as delivery optimization apps or customer tracking systems. These apps can generate income through ads, in-app purchases, or subscription models. Imagine launching an app that becomes essential for local users, generating consistent ad revenue or a steady stream of subscription fees. The key is to identify a need and fill it with a user-friendly, effective solution. By focusing on usability and solving real problems, you can attract a loyal user base. The earnings from such ventures can vary significantly based on the app's popularity and how well you monetize it. With a successful app, you could see substantial profits, making this a highly lucrative avenue for tech-savvy individuals. By keeping an eye on market trends and continuously improving your app, you can maximize your earnings and make a significant impact in your chosen niche. This approach not only benefits users, but also creates a sustainable income stream for you. And there you have it, some amazing ways to make money using Google Maps. Whether you're optimizing local businesses or creating apps, these methods can help you unlock new income streams. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to JumTalks for more insightful tips. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.